Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will be relating decimals to fractions that represent tenths and hundredths. Now, by now, you should know the value of the tenths and the hundredths place. And the way we're going to be doing this is we're going to be using cards like these. So I'm going to shuffle them, and we're going to pick one at random. So when we choose the card, we're going to represent the picture that's in here with the fraction and then decimal. So let's get started. All right. So if you notice right away, this is divided into 100 equal parts. So we can go ahead and say that our denominator is going to be 100. And then we count the shaded parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here we have 5 hundredths, right? Easy. So let's go ahead and represent this one as a decimal. The way you would do that would be 0, because we have no whole numbers, 0, 5, because it's in the hundredths place. So 5 hundredths, the same thing as 5 hundredths, also 5 hundredths. Pretty simple, right? So let's go ahead and erase this one. And let's choose another card. Here we go. All right. Right away, we notice that this one is divided into 10 equal parts. And there's 3 shaded. So this is 3 tenths. The way we represent that would be 0.3 because we have 3 tenths. Pretty simple. Let's do a couple more. Looks like we have another hundredth. So how many are shaded here? Let's count them. We got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we have 15 hundredths. So we represent that as a fraction as 15 hundredths. And as a decimal, 0.15. So 0.15 is 15 hundredths, 15 hundredths, 15 hundredths. All right, let's do our last one. Just going to get this one out of the way. Grab our last one. Here we go. So again, this is in tenths. Let's go ahead and write the denominator of tenths because we already know it's in 10 equal parts. I'll just count the pink places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 tenths. And the way you represent that as a decimal, you guessed it, 0.5. Now you don't always have to put the 0, but I always like putting the 0 because it just makes the decimal stand out more. So 0.5, it's 5 tenths. So 5 out of 10, 5 tenths, 5 tenths. All right, let's just do one more for fun. And let's go and get, ooh, well, that was boring. So this one's hundredths, right? So we can go ahead and write the denominator of 100 and just count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 5 hundredths. Didn't we already do this one? I think we already did this one. We'll do it again now. So 0.05 hundredths. Yeah, we definitely did this one earlier, but it's okay. We can do them again. So 5 hundredths, 5 hundredths. So because we did this one already, let's go ahead and get another one. Just because we already did that one. And let's do our last one. Ooh, this one's nice. Look at that. Nice and green. All right. Again, this is hundred, so our denominator is going to be a 100. How many total pieces shaded? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This one's actually 90 hundredths. So the way you represent that as a fraction would be 0.90. So pretty simple stuff, guys. Now, that is it for this video, guys. So now you should know how to represent fractions into decimals and how to identify them when you have a pictorial representation like this one. But that is it for now. Hopefully you learned this, but if you didn't, again, guys, just go to my table, ask me, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll see you next video. Goodbye.